Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious smoothies without yogurt. You'll learn about fantastic dairy-free liquid bases, discover creamy fruit and vegetable options, and explore healthy fat additions for that perfect texture. We'll also cover protein sources to keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout your day. Get ready to blend up some amazing, yogurt-free creations that are both nutritious and incredibly tasty. Selecting the right liquid base is crucial for your yogurt-free smoothie. Unsweetened almond milk is a popular choice, offering a mild flavor and low calories. Coconut water is excellent for hydration and electrolytes, especially with tropical fruits. For a richer texture, consider coconut milk, which also provides healthy fats. You can also use fruit juice for sweetness or even green tea for an antioxidant boost. To get that desirable creamy texture without yogurt, several ingredients work wonders. Frozen bananas are a top choice, making your smoothie thick and naturally sweet. Half an avocado adds healthy fats and a wonderfully smooth consistency. Nut butters, like almond or peanut butter, contribute richness and protein. For an extra boost, a tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds can thicken your blend and add beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. Enhance your smoothie's flavor and nutritional profile with smart additions. Fresh spinach or kale blend in seamlessly, adding vitamins without altering the taste significantly. Spices such as cinnamon or ginger can introduce warmth and health benefits. For a protein boost, consider adding a scoop of your favorite plant-based protein powder. Natural sweeteners like a few pitted dates or a drizzle of maple syrup can perfect the taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.